Hi everyone, today's headlines. 449 passengers tested COVID positive out of 833 samples tested at Dimapur Airport. DC Peg notifies on Swin flu outbreak. Vehicular movement restricted from Diku Bridge to Chingtong Junction Longlang. Dimapur police fined 1,197 people for no face mask and collects a whopping rupees 1.19 lakh. DC Kohima imposes night curfew from May 5th. Nagaland reports a spike of 266 COVID positive cases on May 4th. DC Dimapur orders odd-even traffic system in containment zone. News in details. 449 passengers tested COVID positive out of 833 samples tested at Dimapur Airport. In a shocking report released by the Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Nagaland, it said that 449 passengers were tested positive for COVID-19 out of the total 833 samples tested from Dimapur Airport between April 17 to 29, 2021. This report was released in a travel advisory issued by the State Health Department while advising citizens to avoid travelling unless it's absolutely necessary. It has revealed that the results of over 54% of the sample tested for COVID-19 has turned positive. A total of 449 passengers were tested positive for COVID-19 out of the total 833 samples tested from Dimapur Airport between 17 to 29, 2021, it added. DC Peg notifies on Swin flu outbreak. Deputy Commissioner of Peg notifies the general public of Peg district that the outbreak of African swine flu has occurred in the district of Peg and Kifri. The DC requested the general public to remain cautious and vigilant and report any unusual mortality of domestic pigs and feral pigs to the office of the Chief Veterinary Officer, Peg. Furthermore, the following measures have been notified to the general public and pig farmers of the district to control and contain the spread of contagious disease. Vehicular movement restricted from Diku Bridge to Chingtong Junction Longlang. In the interest of public safety, in view of the ongoing Changtongkia Longlang 2-lane construction and in order to facilitate the progress of the work, the Deputy Commissioner Longlang has informed that there will be a total restriction of all vehicular movement from Diku Bridge to Chingtong Junction on the date and time mentioned below. Date May 4, 2021 from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Dimapur police fined 1,197 people for no face mask, collects a whopping rupees 1.19 lakh. In another shocking report, Dimapur police on Tuesday said that it had fined 1,197 people for not wearing face mask in public places and collected a whopping rupees 1.19 lakh. Taking to Twitter, Dimapur police said total 1,19,700 realized as penalty imposed on 1,197 individuals for not wearing masks in public places. Perhaps it is time for people to realize the gravity of the situation, especially at a time when other states are reeling under the impact of second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Choosing between face mask or paying fine is very easy, but paying fine can only save people from the eyes of police or authorities, not from COVID, said a frontline worker. DC Kohima imposes night curfew from May 5th. The Deputy Commissioner and Chairman DTF Kohima, Gregory Tejavali NCS imposed night curfew in Kohima district on all days starting Wednesday, May 5, 2021 from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. and will remain in force until further order. However, during the curfew hours, medical emergency and essential services including pharmacy, movement of goods vehicle through goods carrier or trucks will be permitted, the DC said. Nagaland reports a spike of 266 COVID-19 positive cases on May 4th. Nagaland reported 266 COVID-19 positive cases on Tuesday, May 4, 2021 in Nagaland. The state total tally rose to 14,717, updated the Health Minister S. Pangifom. Out of 266 new COVID-19 positive cases reported yesterday, 162 cases were detected in Dimapur, 71 in Kohima, 11 in Tunsang, 8 in Mon, 4 each in Peren and Mokachung, 3 in Longlang, 1 each in Kifri, Peg and Zunabato. Active cases stands at 1,798. DC Dimapur orders odd-even traffic system in containment zone. The Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur, Rajesh Sundararajan, ordered the movement of all vehicles to apply on odd-even system in the declared containment zones, Dimapur Municipal Council, Chumukuruma Town Council and villages or colonies along Dimapur-Chumukuruma 4-lane road with effect from 7 p.m. of May 5, 2021 for a period of 7 days. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.